guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm here with Match Made Coffee. So this is a monthly coffee and cookie pairing subscription. Each month you're going to get 4 gourmet cookies and 4 coffees that are paired together for flavor. Each coffee is 2 ounces, so I'm guessing you're getting 8 ounces in here. That's what I'm kind of understanding from their website. These subscriptions are $34.49. I'm reading my own writing, and I hope that that's not $39.49. I will put the real price below because kind of could be a 4, it kind of could be a 9. I'm the worst ever, sorry. But this is the first time. Now, there are plenty of coffee subscriptions, but like this kind of sets them apart, right? Cookies and coffee, I love it. I think it's adorable. I can't wait to see what's in here. It's a huge box, right? It was also wrapped up in like brown parcel paper. I love it. And then I ripped it open to take pictures, so. All right, we have your coffee pairing subscription box, and then on the back here, it has our pairings. We're not gonna peek. We have a cookie, Match Made Coffee, Citrus Earl Grey. Are you kidding me? I've never had an Earl. You guys know, Earl Grey. Oh, it's this from Cravery Cookies. I don't know if all the cookies are from the same company. I have no idea. So I'm going to do all the cookies because those are loose in here, and then I'll open the coffee and look at that. So then we have a blueberry oatmeal. This is also from the Cravery. So these are 2-ounce cookies. So you're getting a oh, I hope it wasn't 2 ounces of cookies and not coffee. We'll find out when we look at the packages. So this is also from Cravery. Look at how the icing is on that. Girl. Oh, can't show my kids this or they'll try to steal them. Almond chocolate coconut. Now this contains nuts, clearly. This is also from the Cravery. So I'm not sure if maybe they source a different cookie company each month or they do the same. I'm not sure. But look at that, how decadent. Then we've got caramel overload. Ooh, so I'm guessing, let's think. We're gonna get some sort of an Earl Grey coffee. Oh, I can't even wait to see. So there's that one. Now, all of our coffees come like wrapped in this paper. All right. This is definitely a 2-ounce bag. I was right. I'm not that crazy. Early riser. This is a medium dark roast Match Made coffee. All right, so I'm guessing that this goes with the Earl Grey. That's what I would guess. Aloha blend is going to go, and then we're going to look at the card and verify, just so you all know. I'm not like leading you on and then, oh, I never knew, I don't know. Aloha blend, I'm going to guess goes with the, ooh, the coconut? The coconut, the almond chocolate coconut would be my guess. Then we've got Costa Rican Craze. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm just going to guess it's, no, let me. Dang it, I don't know which one they go with. All right, so that's a Costa Rican Craze, a medium roast. Costa Rican's my favorite coffee of all time. It's like a mellow, not mellow, but like very even, balanced flavor. It's not bold. I'm not a big bold person. And then we have French Favorite Dark Roast. So these are all, everyone was medium, which is really good. I'm not dark or light, really. I'm more a medium lover, so, except for the French. So that's a dark roast, which is very cool. I like that they mix it up. All right, now let's look at our pairings. I'm super excited. All right, the French Favorite is going to go with your blueberry oatmeal. Enjoy a bold cup of our favorite French roast paired with the blueberry oatmeal cookie. The fresh local jam, vanilla chips, and dried blueberries perfectly balances the full-bodied brew. The Costa Rican Craze goes with the almond chocolate coconut. I was wrong. You'll see what all the craze is about when you pair this mild medium roast with a cookie that tastes right out of paradise. Lay back and soak up the highlighted nutty and cocoa notes. Then there's the Aloha blend. That goes with the caramel overload. Say aloha to this tasty pairing featuring a medium light blend of Kona coffee. Kona coffee. The sweet caramel notes of the roast are kicked into overdrive when your cookie takes a daring dunk into your mug. And then the early riser does go with this Citrus Earl Grey. I was right about that. Erase. I added an R in the word ease. Ease into the day with this Match Made for enjoying the most out of your mornings. Our organic medium roast leans on the dark side, while the cookie boasts brighter lemon and tea soaked flavors. So that's everything that I received in my Match Made coffee. I cannot wait to bust into it. Please let me know what you think down below. I will link to my full review. I'll also link to Match Made coffee as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.